इंडस एक्शन 8 साल कंप्लीट कर चुका है.
8th anniversary this time.
We have 2 birthdays, the HR birthday and the finance birthday.
We are 2 years away from completing a decade.
And ready for the walk to the decade.
What makes Indus Action Indus Action? It is us, it is the team, it is the people we're trying to serve.
हमारी टीम की जो यूनिटी है ना, एक दूसरे पे जो भरोसा है.
The opportunity that you get to make mistakes in Indus Action.
Authentic do tank. तो मतलब हम पॉलिसी के ऊपर सोच पे ही ना सीमित हो जाए, बट कैन वी कन्वर्ट आवर थिंकिंग एंड आइडियाज इनटू वैल्यूज प्रैक्टिस.
I think the very fact that the organization works at the cusp of policy and implementation, they always try to think of the ethical ways to do that. I think the community of people that Indus Action attracts makes it Indus Action.
What we have achieved in last 8 years is to work at the scale and also work at the grassroots level.
Like a 45 plus member team present. So all the step backs, right from Ahmedabad, Bijapur, Hemalkasa, Dharwad, each one of them has had like a key role to play in terms of what are org values, principles, and like the culture is going to be within the organization.
हमने सोचा नहीं था कि हम इतने स्टेट्स में आरटी एक साथ कर पाएंगे. And we were in 19 states.
So we are, very trusted partner for more than 11 state government right now.
हम करीबन 3 लाख बच्चों का आरटी के माध्यम से अलग अलग स्टेटों में एडमिशन करवाए हैं.
One of the major achievements that we had last week was Obama's 60th birthday, and he floated a list of 60 organizations that people could look up to donate $6 or $60 for microfunding, and Indus Action made it to that list. So the other achievement that we unlocked very recently, which was like a big bonanza for our 8-year anniversary, is that World Economic Forum named organizations which were last mile responders in COVID-19, and Indus Action is one of those organizations.
Yeah, and during the pandemic also admissions happened, which was a very big plus.
Brought in like new opportunities around moving beyond 12(1)C.
करीबन at least 1 million families को can we irreversibly move them out of poverty by giving them access to a portfolio of welfare entitlements and rights. तो हम उस प्रोग्राम को हम पावर कह रहे हैं. तो can we do this for at least 3 rights in every family?
Pivotal point has been the power, where we decided to look at a portfolio of rights and not just a single right, and give these vulnerable families a social protection net, which is the need of the hour. That decision of kind of moving towards power itself is a great achievement.
Yeah, I mean, like we are hoping to reach out to at least like 1 million people and get them out of poverty.
8 years में हमने काफ़ी प्रोग्रेस किया है, पर काफ़ी फेलियर्स पे एक्सपीरियंस किया है. So we're hoping that we emerge into the 8th, 9th and 10th year, especially the first decade, with a deepening of this values practice.